Facing the 0x80073B01 system restore error in Windows 11? This issue is often caused by corrupt system files, Windows Defender conflicts, or registry errors. Let's go through simple steps to fix it quickly. First solution. Run System File Checker (sfcscan). Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if prompted. Now, type the following command and press Enter. sfc/sc ANNOW. Wait for the scan to complete. Once it reaches 100%, type Exit and press Enter. Right-click on Windows Start and select Restart your PC. Next solution. Update Windows. Right-click on Windows Start and select Settings. Click on Windows Update. If an update is available, click Download and install. Once the update is complete, restart your PC. Next solution. Create a new user account. Right-click on Windows Start and open Settings. Click on Accounts, then select Other Users. Click on Add Account. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username and set a password. Re-enter the password for confirmation. Now, select a security question. Type your answer and repeat this for all 3 security questions. Click on Next to create the new user. Right-click on Windows. Start and restart your PC. Once restarted, click on Windows Start, select your new username, and enter the password to sign in. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.